Let's take a look at how to use the CMEX5 with the handheld heavy-duty pin probe to test a OSB substrate. So when we're testing an OSB substrate with the CMEX5 and a pin probe, the first thing we need to do is turn the meter on, hit the upper left button here to bring us into the menu. Then we'll go to the second option, which is pin mode, because we're going to use this pin probe. We select that, and now in the pin mode we have 5 options here, and we're going to choose the 4th option by scrolling down, and we're going to choose WME by pressing the center button. That stands for Wood Moisture Equivalent. Now when I connect the pin probe with the bayonet connector, the meter remembers that setting that we chose for the pin probe, and we're getting a reading here. So I've already inserted the pin into the OSB. You just want to insert it deep enough so it's stable in there and keep the cord stable, and we get a reading here of 7.9. Now when we look at the ambient conditions across the bottom, which are taken from the hygrometer here, we see the temperatures 76, relative humidity 51. So I can cross-reference this with the wood moisture equivalent chart to check my acceptable wood moisture content number. And I can see here that we have a dry substrate with a 7.9 reading in these ambient conditions. And I know I'm okay to proceed with the installation.